Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to allow customers to repeat orders on WooCommerce. Let's get started. So if you want people to actually buy again for you, you can add a buy again button by heading over and adding it using a plugin. So click on the search plugin right here and search in here for buy again. Then from in there, you should be able to see in here some plugins related to that. So you can see in here this one, alternatively, and also searching here for buy again for WooCommerce. However, if you won't see it from in here, what you can do is you can head over right here, which is the actual WooCommerce plugin with a lot of database, and you can see it from here. This is the buy again for WooCommerce, wherein you can add buy again option for your customers to quickly repurchase products they had. So you can see in here that they have a plan. They have 4.09 monthly, which is billed annually at $49. So you can head over and add it to cart or buy it, and you should be able to install it. Once you have got the zip file for that, head over right here to your actual plugins, and you can head over and upload a plugin that will help you add this particular plugin to your store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.